In a custom home site, there's a lot to consider for your lighting. A few options can be your cabana lights, pool lights, pathway lights, accent lighting, as well as up-down lights, tree lighting, and anything for security and safety as well when you're walking in the evening. Driveway lighting is accent lighting. It's aesthetically pleasing lighting. It also illuminates the driveway. Then you have different type of illumination that you can have. Your pool lights are also beautifying the water. They're giving you evening glow. For up-down lights, they're accent lighting across the exterior of your home that you can have to illuminate masonry, brickwork, accenting different features of your home. Security lighting, such as motion lighting, allows you to notify the homeowner if somebody's passing by in the evening that's not supposed to be in the residence or property. These are just a few little tips to consider when you're doing exterior lighting in your next home.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.